Best day I could ever again. Hey, buddy. Who's the hurt? All right, y'all. It's been a little while, and it's coming back. So I'm making these flow sticks. Tell you, as much as I had been doing these, I had never done that one. I forgot how much I like this. What a great meditation. Not too far, buddy. So, I'm making these, what I call flow sticks. Other people call them devil sticks. I like flow sticks a lot better. And I'm making them out of upcycled materials. This was a tablecloth that someone was getting rid of, this brilliant yellow. And the rubber on here, I collected from bicycle shops and motorcycle shops of their used inner tubes. And all of this, if you would like to order some or make some, I'm going to be posting the instructions on Earth Dog's social media. And it all goes to support Earth Dogs and their current mission to eliminate cigarette litter, Someone told me earlier I make it look a lot easier than it is. I definitely played with mine, I practiced with mine quite a bit when I was younger. So yeah, it all goes towards eliminating cigarette litter and renovating dog shelters and helping their find a home. Hutch, where you at, buddy? So yeah, if you're interested, you can check out Earth Dogs, DAWGS, because you my dog. And I don't see you right now because I have it on the front-facing camera. Almost caught me. What a great meditation. I used to go to the beach and like toss it up in the air and have it go like 10 feet in front of me and come back with the wind. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Get your inner child out to play. I also have sacred paws pendants, talismans. But yeah, you can DM me here on Healthy Keith. You can DM Earth Dogs. Come, buddy. Thank you, good boy. This dog is so awesome. Come here, Hutch. Come and say hello. Come, buddy. Come. Come here. Come, come. Wow. Woo! Stand barefoot on the earth. Come here, buddy. Come. Hutch. Come here, buddy. Come here. Who's the good boy? Who's the good boy? Who's the good boy? Who's the good boy? What you got? You got something over there, buddy? Let me get it for you. Some little biting bugs out here tonight. So we're going to probably wrap it up. And people get pretty. Train coming. Don't need no package. Get on board. Woohoo! All you need is space. Hear the diesels humming. Don't need no ticket. Woo! Echo. Don't need no ticket. You just echo. All right, y'all. I'm going to give Hutch a walk because he's been awesome today, hanging out. Thank you for chilling with me. And I'll be putting those instructions up real soon. Love y'all. Look at this beautiful day, huh? Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Who's the Hutch? Who's the Hutch? Hutch, come here, buddy. Who's my good boy? Who's the good Hutch, huh? What a handsome fella, huh? Look at this dude's almost 13. Look at you. What a stud. Who's the Hutch? Who's so handsome? He's like camera shy. He never likes me taking pictures of him. Or it doesn't seem to. How handsome is this dude? Hey, Hutch. What you looking at? Yeah, time for us to walk with these bugs, huh? Happy best day ever, y'all. You know it's what you make it.